Alright, super quick video today. In the first video I mentioned that I've cracked this arm. Well, I want to go flying today, so I'm going to attempt to solvent weld it. The plastic I use is solvent weldable, and I happen to have the secret solvent, so I'm going to attempt to solvent weld this crack and see how well it holds up. I've stuck a piece of foam in here to absorb any excess that goes through the crack so it doesn't get everywhere and weld stuff together. I don't want to weld it together, so we'll see how this works. That's pretty much it. It soaked right into that crack. I think some of it also weeped into this tab, or this hole I've got this support tab in, but we'll let it dry a few minutes and then see how it holds up, and I'll let you guys know how this worked. So it's been a few hours since I solvent welded this. The solvents had time to dry. I actually ended up putting some 3-bladed props on and going flying, and I've noticed that it flies just fine. What the solvent welding does is it actually softens the plastic on both pieces, and then you mash them together and the solvent evaporates out and it hardens back up, and so you're left with a solid piece of plastic again, and it seems to be holding really well. So I'll have to remember this trick in the future. Thanks for watching.